So for exercise 241, we're going to create a pattern for a basic flared skirt. First, let's trace the basic skirt block, both front and back. So I traced both front and back, and I'm going to draw slash lines. So we are going to scale down from these start points to the hemline. And same for the back, scale down from these start points to the hem. And let's label this point as point A and this one as B. And please put CF here for the center front line. And let's put CB for the center back. And I'm going to cut these patterns. All right, so I cut these patterns and labeled them. When you label, make sure to put exercise number. And for the front, you need to put front skirt. For the back, you need to put back skirt. And size information. And in the case of cut quantity, you need to put 1 for the front, since it will be cut and fold along the center front line. And in the case of back, let's imagine that we're going to put a zipper at the center back. Then it should be cut too, right? And please put all the other information accordingly. And then we're going to cut these slash lines from the hemline to the dart point, but not through the dart point. So I cut all these slash lines from the hemline to the dart point. And now I can close these darts. So let's close all these darts and tape them. And I'm going to place the front pattern on paper. And when you place the pattern, make sure to place it closer to the right edge of this paper so that we have enough space on the left side. And let me tape this pattern. All right, then I'm going to trace this working pattern. And we're going to draw a new side line here. First, we're going to measure the distance between A and B. And we need to divide this number by half. And we're going to add that amount here. So let's say this point is point X. And we're going to draw a line, side line from this point X to the outmost part of the hip on this working pattern. And it should be perpendicular here. So it should be 90 degrees. So I'm going to place my pattern in this direction and draw a line. So scale out from this point X. And then let's find the largest part of the hip. I'd say it's approximately 2 inches from the side point. And let's draw a straight line from this part. And by using your French curve, you need to connect these two lines and draw a naturally curved line. And let's blend the hemline. And I'm going to remove the working pattern from the paper. And let's complete drawing the final pattern. And we're going to repeat the same process for the back. So place your working pattern on paper and we're going to trace the working pattern. And as we did for the front, we're going to measure this length and divide this number by half and add that amount to here. And let's draw a straight line here, square line from this point, and draw a new side line. And let's blend the hemline. Then remove the working pattern and complete drawing the final pattern. So these are the final patterns for exercise 241. Make sure to put CF along the center front line and the cotton fold, and CB at the back, and put these diagonal grain lines and label each piece correctly.